Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we will learn how to make glass morphism effect in After Effects and we will add some animations to it as well. So let's jump into After Effects and let's get started. Let's create a new composition of 1920 by 1080p. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in layers panel and create a new solid layer of the same size as our composition. And for the background I'm gonna take a mild blue color. Now just lock this solid layer and create a new shape layer. Now I'm creating a rectangle here for the card, but you can choose your own shape what you want to create. And I'm gonna change the size to 700 and 400. Now I'm gonna align the anchor point of the rectangle to the center. And I'm gonna align the rectangle to the center of the composition. Now just add fill to it and remove the stroke. Yes. Now I'm gonna increase the roundness of the rectangle to 50 to make it look good. Now let's create a new shape layer. And I'm gonna choose ellipse tool and draw a circle. Oh, sorry. Now I'm gonna change the color of the circle to something purple or pinkish. This is all your preference, what you guys want to do. You can change it anyways after creating it. I like this for now. Now I'm gonna duplicate the circles thrice and arrange them according to the shape that I took, a card. You can arrange them according to your shape. Now it is not mandatory to create 4 circles, you can create how many you want. Now let's change all the colors of the circles and make them look colorful. Now let's add a new adjustment layer by right clicking in the layers panel and now go to effects and presets and we are going to search here for fast box blur. Now drag this effect and drop it on the adjustment layer. Now in the properties section, click on the repeat edge pixels and increase the blur radius to anything between 100 to 150. This is all according to your preference, what you guys like. I'm gonna make it 120 for now. Now just select the rectangle layer and press T on your keyboard to bring up the opacity and decrease it to 40%. And as you guys can see, we have the glass morphism effect. Now duplicate the rectangle layer and remove fill from it and add stroke. Now we are done with the still graphics. Now let's move towards the animation part. I made a iPhone screen layer in Illustrator. Now I'm going to import it in my After Effects for the reference to animate the card. Now just drag it into layers panel. Now convert this AI layer to guide layer so it won't get rendered with the animation. Now click on the rectangle layer, any of them you can choose, and open content, then rectangle, and right click on the rectangle path and convert it to Bezier path. Now click on the path of the rectangle and first lock this adjustment layer. Now click on the rectangle's path 1, as you can see. Now create a keyframe by clicking on the watch icon, then go 30 frames ahead and change the shape of the rectangle by selecting the points with your mouse and arranging them according to your desired shape. You can use shift plus arrow keys to move the points. Now go ahead 30 frames again. Now go ahead 30 frames again and copy the keyframe that we just created and paste it here. Now go 30 frames again ahead in timeline and copy the first keyframe that we have created and paste it here. Now select all the keyframes with your mouse and easy ease them. Now go into speed graph and select the keyframes and arrange them by dragging the lines and making a mountain shape curve, just like I'm doing. Now right click on the second keyframe and toggle on hold keyframe. Now you just need to do the same shit with the other rectangle layer. Just go into the path of the other rectangle layer and copy all the keyframes from the first rectangle and paste it here. Now let's take a look. Yeah, it is looking cool for now. Now I'm gonna delete the iPhone screen layer because I'm done with it. Now let's take a look again. Now select all the circle layer and press T on your keyboard to bring up the opacity and create a keyframe at the starting and another one at the 30 frames. Now put the value of the first keyframe to be 0 in all the layers. Now I'm gonna change the offset of the keyframes on the circle layer by 10 frames each. So it will come one by one. When a circle finish animating, we have to start the card animation. So what we are going to do is we're going to move the keyframes at the end of the circle keyframes. So here's the ending of the circle keyframes. Now just move these rectangle keyframes to start it from here. Now select all the keyframes of circle layer and press F9 to easy ease them. Yeah, it is looking dope. I'm not gonna lie. Now first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the blue color to orange and the orange color to blue because I didn't like the contrast of these colors overall. So I'm gonna choose a little dark color of blue. So again, I'm saying you can choose whatever color you like. This is not mandatory to choose. Yep. Now again select all the circle layer and press P on your keyboard for position and click on the watch icon to while pressing Alt key on your keyboard and write an expression of wiggle 2,30 and copy it and paste it in all the circle layer just like we just did. Alt, click on the watch icon, paste it in here. Now again, let's take a look. Yeah guys, you can add whatever text you want. So we have our complete animation of glass morphism effect in After Effects. So if you guys learned anything from this tutorial, do like and comment what you learned. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.